Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to one of Ontario's hidden gems, Hilton Falls Conservation Area, located near Milton. If you're looking for a peaceful nature escape, beautiful hiking trails, and a stunning waterfall surrounded by forest, you're going to love this place. Join me as we explore the trails, discover the famous falls, enjoy the sounds of nature, and then finish the day with a relaxing scenic drive back home through the beautiful Ontario countryside. Let's get started. As soon as we arrived at Hilton Falls, the first thing we noticed was how peaceful everything felt. Even though it's not far from the Greater Toronto Area, it immediately feels like you've stepped away from the busy city life. The conservation area covers hundreds of hectares of protected forest, wetlands, and hiking trails. It's a popular destination throughout the year, whether you're visiting in spring, summer, fall, or winter. Before starting our hike, we took a quick look at the trail map and prepared for the walk toward the waterfall. The weather today was perfect, comfortable temperatures, a gentle breeze, and plenty of sunshine filtering through the trees. The hike to Hilton Falls is relatively easy and suitable for most visitors. The trail winds through beautiful forests filled with tall trees and native plants. One of the things I enjoy most about hiking here is how quiet it is. You can hear birds singing, leaves rustling in the wind, and occasionally the sound of water flowing somewhere in the distance. As we continued along the trail, sunlight streamed through the forest canopy, creating beautiful patterns on the ground. This is the kind of place where you naturally slow down and appreciate the simple beauty around you. And finally, after a pleasant walk through the forest, we arrived at Hilton Falls. What makes Hilton Falls unique is that the waterfall cascades over a rocky ledge into a small gorge below. While it may not be the tallest waterfall in Ontario, its natural beauty and peaceful surroundings make it incredibly special. Standing here, listening to the rushing water, it's easy to forget how close you are to major cities. The waterfall looks different depending on the season. In spring, snowmelt creates powerful flows. During summer, lush greenery surrounds the falls. In autumn, vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows transform the landscape into a photographer's dream. And in winter, parts of the waterfall freeze, creating spectacular ice formations. No matter when you visit, there's always something unique to experience. One of the best parts about hiking here is that every turn reveals something new. A quiet pond, a dense forest section, a wooden bridge, or another beautiful stretch of trail. For anyone interested in photography, this place offers endless opportunities. The combination of forest landscapes, natural textures, flowing water and changing light makes it incredibly photogenic. After the hike, we found a quiet spot to sit and simply enjoy the surroundings. Sometimes travel isn't about rushing from one attraction to another. Sometimes it's about slowing down, taking in the scenery, and appreciating moments like these. The fresh air, the sounds of nature, and the peaceful atmosphere make Hilton Falls the perfect place to recharge. If you've had a busy week, a visit here can feel surprisingly refreshing. As the afternoon began turning into evening, it was time to head home. But instead of taking the fastest route, we decided to enjoy a scenic drive through the countryside, and honestly, this turned out to be one of the highlights of the day. Ontario's countryside has a unique charm that's easy to overlook when we're focused on larger cities and major tourist attractions. Taking the time to explore these quieter areas often leads to some of the most memorable experiences. The colors became richer and more dramatic, creating the perfect ending to a wonderful day outdoors. The combination of hiking, waterfalls, forest trails, and a peaceful countryside drive made this day feel like a complete escape from everyday life. The roads surrounding Milton offer beautiful views of rolling farmland, open fields, forests, and rural landscapes. Driving through these quiet country roads provides a completely different perspective of Ontario. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye for now.